Hey everyone, I'm here to do a quick color spotlight on the color Champagne R by Noriko, and I have Jackson in this color. So in this video, we're really just going to talk about the color. I do have a review of Jackson already out there if you're curious about Jackson. And I think I'm going to do another video on some styling with Jackson and some challenges I have with this particular wig, even though I do like her a lot and she is a favorite. But let's just talk about this color and then stay tuned or search my channel for more details on Jackson if you're curious. So Champagne R. Let me get up here a little bit closer so that you guys can see. This is a very pale champagne blonde with a very dark root. Super contrasting. I just really want to stress that. I will get outside for you guys, so stick around. I'll show you outside as well. There really are no extreme highlights in this color. It's just a very, very light golden, very much gold, kind of a yellow gold blonde with dark roots. This reminds me a little bit of how, I'm going to date myself here, but how Madonna used to color her hair in the 80s. So if you were a child of the 80s like I am, you would remember Madonna would color her hair very, very blonde, and then she'd always have those super dark roots poking through. That's what this reminds me of. And when you go to style Jackson, and I'll talk a lot more about styling with Jackson because I think Jackson has some very cute styling potential, you will be able to see those roots. The roots are kind of all the way through. Sometimes on a rooted wig, you'll get a lot of the roots up here, but they don't necessarily run the roots throughout the whole wig. I'm very appreciative that Noriko did run the roots all the way through, because if you do want to style Jackson, you're going to need that or it's going to look really odd. So you can see the roots go all the way through. So it really does make it look more realistic. Like you are a brunette who wanted to get her hair dyed very light blonde. That's what it looks like. What I also appreciate is this is my bio hair right here. I do, shave my head or buzz my hair. But if you're a natural brunette, you're going to have those dark roots are going to help a lot, especially if you can see a little bit of your bio hair, which you usually can see mine at the temple because I have a very low hairline at the temple. So one way I wear Jackson, mainly the only way I wear Jackson, is in an updo, and that really helps with the realism a lot. So let me just take off Jackson and show you this, and then let's get outside because this really is all about the color. See how light? It's just super. It's not platinum. Platinum is very ashy, almost white. This is not platinum. It's very golden. It's kind of a yellow blonde. And then you've got just that contrast. So if you're a brunette and you love that rooted look and you're just looking for something kind of bold, this is very bold for a brunette, then this color is great. And then again, it's kind of yellowy. So if you're looking for something a little more ashy, not really this color. It's too golden and too yellow, I think, for that. All right, let me get outside for you guys so you can see this color outside. Hang on. All right, everyone, check out Champagne R by Noriko. This is on the Jackson wig. I'll move around for you guys. So she has a very dark root, which is great for us brunettes who want to go blonde. This is very blonde. Let me get into the sun here for you. So pretty. It's a beautiful, beautiful color. It's a warm blonde. It's kind of a yellowy, not super yellow, but it definitely kind of pulls a little yellow. As a brunette, it looks very, very blonde. Get back into the shade over here. Finger in the way. That doesn't work. Can help if I move around and get different backgrounds. I am loving this Jackson so much. It's absolutely gorgeous. I don't want to get too shaded. All right. Hopefully that helped you as you're thinking about this color. Thanks for watching. Well, I'm living outside my comfort zone today. I have on Jackson by Noriko and Champagne Rooted. This is super, super blonde. And I am going out with my husband and a couple of friends. We're just gonna have lunch. And I decided I'm gonna be a blonde today. My friends have never seen me with my hair like this, so we'll see how it goes. I think Jackson goes up in an updo super great. I'm gonna switch hands here so you can see the other side. Jackson is a basic cap wig, so no lace front, no monofilament. Permatease, there is quite a bit of permatease all up in here. You can see the Champagne R is a very contrasting color. Super blonde, very dark root. But I like her, she's really cool.